Welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this pocket. It is day 56, and this is a notebook strip pocket. I want to be sure to let you know that there is a booklet available, and there's a link to it in my description box. It will take you to Cindy's Ko-Fi shop where you can download the instructions on how to create all of these pockets. Today you will need a ruled notebook paper or ledger paper, also your glue or double stick tape, scissors or a trimmer, ink, stamps, embellishments, etc. All right, my friends, the first thing you're going to need to do is cut your lined paper to any size that you want. What I did is I grabbed this journal page. We made this tag yesterday and this pocket yesterday, and so I grabbed this journal page. I figured why not just continue on in here, and I measured the width of it, and so I cut my paper to fit. Now the next thing is that you're going to take the bottom part and you're going to fold it up, and actually before I do that I'm going to fold this twice. And there's a reason why, because this is just notebook paper. Notebook paper isn't always the strongest paper in the world, right? So I'm doing a little edge here, and that way when the tag is going in and out, it will have like a doubled up edge right here, and it won't tear the paper. So I'm doing that sort of as a preventative measure for tearing, and it'll help strengthen the pocket. And now I'm folding it here, just because I think that is it looks nice. I like the way that it fits the journal page. So we're going to fold that there. Now I'm going to unfold that, and I'm going to put glue on each edge. I got my glue on there, and now I am folding that up and pressing the glue down. Now I'm going to flip it over and add a bead of glue across the top. Now you could also use double stick tape if you wanted to, and you also have another choice. You can glue the whole thing and put it down so that it can't be lifted, or you can put a strip of glue across the top, and then it can be lifted, and additional writing space if you wanted to add another piece of paper here and then glued that one on all the way. Or you could put a secret note under there for yourself, or a picture. You could put anything you want there, really. I created a tag to go in the pocket, and this tag features one of my paper dolls from my paper doll kit, and that can be found in my Etsy shop. And I'm doing a collaboration this month with my friend Jen of Sassy Southern NC Girl, and we are doing some paper doll projects. I have added some satin trim at the top and the bottom, and now I'm going to add this pretty flower right across here. It won't take up too much room, and that way this can still be written on. And I do love that when you take out the tag, you have all of this writing space as well. I think that is fantastic. So I don't want to use up too much of that space, but I do want to add a little something. So we'll push it over here and add that. Like I said, it won't take up too much room, and you can still put a note there, which is fantastic. Okay, my friends, this is my pocket for day 56. It is the notebook strip pocket. I appreciate you being here. Please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis and see what she came up with today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.